The old Hex Jump Beach. It's quite of a descent on the road, and it's very nice here. Let's go in for a swim in here as well. Very scenic. Very nice. And it's time to go in at the old Hex Jump Beach. Come on in! Amazing. There are rocks over here, but we can swim a bit in also as well. Let's see what. Amazing. I love this kind of secluded beaches where you are on your own. There's no one here on the beach. See? Completely alone. Nice. Look at that. Amazing nature. Nature at its best. Let's see what we can find inside. Amazing. Greetings from the old Hex Jump Beach here on the Crete Island, Greece. Bye!